Hey everyone, welcome back to Tech Savvy. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to send high quality photos on Messenger. So let's dive right in. First, open up the Facebook Messenger app on your phone. Now, open up the chat where you wanted to send the high quality photo. You can start a new conversation or select an existing one. Now, tap on the image icon at the bottom of the screen to choose the photo you wanted to send from your gallery. Now, before selecting the image, you will see option of HD right here. And now, tap on it to enable it. This allows Messenger to send images in high quality. And now, select the number of images you wanted to send. And that's it. Just hit the send button and your high quality photos will be on its way. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe to Tech Savvy for more helpful content. And I will see you in the next video. Thanks for watching.